Enhancing your vocabulary, academic conferences and workshops. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to another English language learning video. Today, we're going to focus on the professional vocabulary used in the context of academic conferences and workshops. Understanding and using this vocabulary effectively can significantly enhance your academic and professional development. Let's dive right in. An academic conference is a gathering of scholars or researchers who share their work, discuss ideas, and learn from each other. These conferences are often organized by professional associations, universities, or academic societies. A workshop, on the other hand, is typically more interactive and hands-on. Workshops usually involve a smaller group of people who actively participate in discussions and activities to enhance their skills or knowledge about a specific topic. Now, let's move on to some key vocabulary related to academic conferences and workshops. 1. Abstract. This is a brief summary of a research paper, presentation, or workshop. 2. Panel discussion. A group of experts discussing a topic in front of an audience, often with a moderator to guide the conversation. 3. Keynote speaker. The main speaker at a conference who usually delivers a speech on the conference theme. 4. Breakout session. Smaller group discussions or workshops during a larger conference. 5. Poster session. A session in which research findings are presented on large posters, and attendees can walk around and discuss the research with the authors. 6. Proceedings. The published collection of academic papers presented at a conference. Let's put these words to use in some sentences. 1. The abstract of your presentation should capture the main points and findings of your research. 2. I am excited to participate in the panel discussion on climate change. 3. The keynote speaker at the conference is a renowned expert in artificial intelligence. 4. We'll break into breakout sessions after the lunch break to discuss the topics in smaller groups. 5. During the poster session, we'll present our findings and engage in interesting discussions with attendees. 6. I found your paper in the proceedings of last year's conference, and it really inspired my current research. There you have it, some essential vocabulary you will encounter at academic conferences and workshops. Remember, the more you use these words in your own speech and writing, the more comfortable you'll become with them. We hope this video helps you in your journey towards academic and professional development. Until next time, keep learning and growing.